Hey, travel and tourism pros, do you remember when your branding was all about your ad in the yellow pages? Okay, maybe you're a little bit younger than me, so try this. Do you remember when branding was only about your website? Well, these days there's so many ways to build brand awareness, it can be overwhelming. For example, if you're developing a new tour or want to generate some buzz about a hot travel destination, how do you get the word out there quickly and easily? Video. That's right, video. Jump in front of the camera and shine the spotlight on yourself. Flip on your webcam, jump onto Zoom and record yourself, or better yet, go live. Talk about a brand building opportunity. It's video. But even if you don't want to jump in front of the camera yourself, you can still build brand awareness by creating a video slideshow or even an animated video. These options let you take advantage of all of the benefits of video. You know, greater social reach and engagement, and build brand awareness at the same time. Show-stopping animated video or slideshows can be tricky. Having the right tools really helps. Start by checking out some of my favorites like Visby, Tidal, Powtoon, and even Canva. Super easy to get started on your own video slideshow or animated creation. With video, it takes only an instant to stop the scroll. Go ahead, click record and make the most of video so that you can showcase your professionalism and build brand awareness.